Neptune, the mysterious blue giant of our solar system. Introduction. Welcome to the enchanting world of Neptune, the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun, named after the Roman god of the sea. Neptune is a stunning blue world that has fascinated astronomers and dreamers alike since its discovery. In this book, we'll explore everything we know about Neptune, from its icy atmosphere to its raging storms, as well as the myths and legends that have made this distant planet a symbol of mystery and wonder. Discovery of Neptune. Neptune was discovered on September 23, 1846, by German astronomer Johann Gottfried Galle. But its discovery was unlike any other planet in our solar system. Scientists didn't find Neptune by accident. They predicted its existence using math. French mathematician Urbain Le Verrier and British mathematician John Couch Adams noticed that Uranus, the planet next to Neptune, wasn't moving exactly as it should. They realized that another planet's gravity must be pulling on Uranus, and they calculated where this mystery planet should be. Sure enough, when astronomers looked through their telescopes, there was Neptune. Neptune is so far from the Sun, about 2.8 billion miles, that it takes 165 Earth years to complete one orbit. That means 1 year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years. What makes Neptune special? Neptune is often called an iced giant because it's made mostly of icy materials like water, ammonia, and methane. Like Uranus, Neptune doesn't have a solid surface. Instead, it has a thick atmosphere that gradually turns into a slushy, icy layer as you go deeper into the planet. One of the most striking things about Neptune is its beautiful blue color. This comes from the methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue light back into space. Neptune also has some of the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,200 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound on Earth. The atmosphere of Neptune. Neptune's atmosphere is made mostly of hydrogen and helium, with a small amount of methane. The planet is known for its wild weather, including massive storms and swirling clouds. One of the most famous storms on Neptune is the Great Dark Spot, which was discovered by NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft in 1989. This storm was similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, but it disappeared a few years later. Scientists think Neptune's storms come and go because of the planet's extreme winds and changing temperatures. Neptune is also one of the coldest places in the solar system, with temperatures dropping to -392 degrees Fahrenheit. Rings and moons. Like the other gas giants, Neptune has rings, but they are faint and hard to see. There are 5 main rings made of dust and ice particles. The rings are named after the scientists who made important discoveries about Neptune: Le Verrier, Lassille, Arago, and Adams. Neptune also has 14 known moons. The largest and most famous is Triton, which is one of the coolest moons in the solar system. Triton is so cold that its surface is covered in frozen nitrogen, and it has geysers that shoot icy particles into space. Scientists think Triton might have been a dwarf planet that Neptune captured with its gravity long ago. Exploring Neptune. Only one spacecraft has ever visited Neptune: NASA's Voyager 2. In 1989, Voyager 2 flew by the planet and sent back incredible pictures and data. Thanks to Voyager 2, we learned about Neptune's rings, moons, and wild weather. Scientists are eager to learn more, but because Neptune is so far away, it's difficult to send missions there. However, there are plans for future missions that might explore Neptune and its moons in more detail. Myths and legends about Neptune. Neptune is named after the Roman god of the sea, who was known as Poseidon in Greek mythology. In ancient stories, Neptune was a powerful and sometimes unpredictable god who ruled the oceans. storms, and earthquakes, sailors would pray to Neptune for safe voyages. But they also feared his temper, which could cause violent storms and shipwrecks. In astrology, Neptune is associated with dreams, imagination, and mystery. People born under the sign of Neptune are said to be creative, intuitive, and compassionate. While astrology isn't science, it is fun to think about how Neptune's mysterious nature has inspired so many stories and beliefs. Fun facts about Neptune. Neptune is the windiest planet in the solar system. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, orbits the planet in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation. This is called a retrograde orbit. Neptune has a faint ring system that was discovered in 1984. A day on Neptune is about 16 hours long, but a year lasts 165 Earth years. Neptune's blue color makes it one of the most beautiful planets in the solar system. Theories about Neptune. Scientists have many questions about Neptune that they are still trying to answer. For example, what's inside Neptune? We know that Neptune has a rocky core, but we're not sure what the layers around it are made of. Some scientists think there might be a layer of superheated water and ammonia deep inside the planet. Could there be life on Triton? Triton has geysers and might have a liquid ocean beneath its icy surface. If it does, could there be tiny life forms living there? It's a mystery waiting to be solved. Why is Neptune so windy? Scientists are still trying to figure out what causes Neptune's extreme winds and storms. Conclusion: Neptune is a planet full of wonder and mystery. From its icy atmosphere to its wild storms and fascinating moons, there's so much to learn about this distant world. Even though we've only scratched the surface of what we know, scientists are working hard to uncover more secrets about Neptune. Who knows what amazing discoveries await us in the future? Maybe one day you'll be the one to help us learn more about this incredible blue giant. The end.